So I started messing with the heads today, and the heads I disassembled. They looked in good shape other than being dirty. So I cleaned them up, a lot of elbow grease, getting the carbon out of there, a lot of brake clean, parts cleaner, anything I could use to get that off of there. And then replace the valve guides with some good quality valve guides, not those umbrella valve guides, which are kind of junk that they came with from the factory. Then I also did some valve lapping. And if you don't know what that is, that's basically like a rubbing compound that you put on the valve and where it meets the seat, and you spin the valve, and that basically grinds it, not hard. I mean, it just smooths things out. So that way it cleans that surface, the mating surface up of both the valve and the seat. So when it's closed, it's a nice tight seal. And it'll just basically make the engine perform better. You don't have any valves leaking, so to speak. So did that on every one of the valves, both the intake and exhaust. Cleaned the intake and exhaust ports, and then reassembled, put new keepers in, put the springs back in, and painted the heads. So they're back together. Everything looks good. I also checked to make sure with feeler gauge in a straight line, make sure that they're flat, no warpage. They shouldn't be. They were, when I got them, they were only used for like 1,000 miles. And then I ended up buying the heads, got the heads separate from the engine itself. So the heads should be in good shape, other than, like I said, being a little dirty, a little bit of carbon, and not a lot. It was minimal. So it's all cleaned up, ready to go. They're painted, and now they're just going to sit there until I get the short block ready. And we'll do that next.